Alright, Chloe Ting, you got me. I'm hopping on the bandwagon. I'm going to be doing the 2-week shred challenge. Let's get into it. My name is Ashley, for those of that you... Today's video is a video I never thought I would do. I am going to be hopping on the bandwagon of doing the Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my before and after, so my results, me doing it every single day, just little clips, and my overall experience of how I thought it went. I heard this 2-week workout not only makes you more toned, but it makes you stronger, happier, and healthier, and I'm ready for all of that because we are in quarantine and we need to get in the best mindset we can under these unprecedented times. So yeah, I just ate a full barbecue chicken pizza and more than half of a bag of Ruffles cheddar and sour cream chips, so I think this is the best time to start the shred. Let's get into it. Alright, so it is day 1 of the challenge and this is what I'm wearing. These Align shorts are from Lulu and this bra is from TJ Maxx, but I want to show you guys my before. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I don't think I've ever shown you guys, but this is my basement. This is like our stairs and we have our Peloton right here, which I use quite often, and then we have this little workout area, and this is where I'm going to do the challenge. What? Guys, the fact that I can't even do the first thing. Day 1 is done. I don't know if I'm gonna throw up, pass out. Chloe Ting really did her thing. If you guys are doing the Chloe Ting challenge, comment down below what day you're on. And if you did it, let me know how your experience went, because mine, it's really hard so far. I literally just woke up. It is 2:07. On Tuesday, May 12th, and it is day 2 of the Chloe Ting challenge. Let's get it. And it is day 3 of the 2-week shred. I woke up a little bit ago. I just uploaded a new video, so I'll put it right here. But I didn't film my workout yesterday because I did it at night, and I think it would be like pretty repetitive if I showed you guys every single day me doing the same workout. But I'm going to show you guys today, and yeah, I'm getting better at it, but let's get it. Hi guys, it is day 4 of Chloe Ting right now, and I know I haven't been filming it because I've basically been doing them at night, but I'm gonna show you guys like an update of what my abs look like, and this is what I look like right now on day 4. I'm like starting to see like a definition. So we're gonna go do this workout and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's Friday. I don't know what day of the challenge it is. I think it's day 5 or day 6, but I just got ready. I have a job interview at 3 and then I'm gonna come home and do my workout because I don't want to be like all sweaty and I already did my hair. But yeah, sorry guys, my memory card was full and I had to delete some clips, but as I was saying, I showed you guys like what my updated physique looks like yesterday, and I think it's going really well. But I'm gonna go to my job interview and then come home, do my workout, and I will update you guys then. Hi guys, so right now I'm going to take Instagram pictures so that I can post on my birthday, and this is what I'm wearing. It's just this dress from Princess Polly, but it's so nice out. Look at this. And then after I take these pictures, I'm going to do, I literally don't know what day it is. I think it's day 6 or day 7 of Chloe Ting. So yeah, it's so nice out. It's like 73, which is really nice for New Jersey weather. Hey everyone, it is actually day 8 of the challenge. Yesterday was my 21st birthday, so I didn't do it yesterday, so I guess it was kind of my off day. So I guess it's day 7, day 8 of the 2-week shred, and I feel absolutely amazing, and I have my workout clothes on. I am going to go do the workout, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 9. Hey guys, it is the next day of the Chloe Ting challenge, and I'm going to give you guys another physique update because I think it's good for me and for you to see the differences throughout the days. So I don't know what day it is right now. I think it's day 9 or 10. We're getting to the end, but This is what my physique looks like. As you can see, like, it's starting to get more defined. And I'm really happy. Like, my body feels amazing. I feel stronger, happy. I've been eating healthier too. So I just came home a little bit ago. I did my Chloe Ting workout and I'm literally sweating. You guys can see my face. It's so red. But yeah, I'm gonna go in the shower. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Chloe Ting. Hi everyone. It is around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock actually, on May 21st. And again, I'm gonna do the Chloe Ting 2-week ab shred, and I'm almost done with it, and I want to show you guys my physique update. I'm just wearing like an oversized t-shirt, but this is my physique look, what my physique looks like. If you guys see on the side, you could see like outlines starting to come in, and I'm really happy with how I'm feeling and how I'm looking. And yeah, let's do this workout. So it is day 13 of the Chloe Ting challenge. I can't believe I have 1 day left. I just finished filming a lookbook actually, and now I'm going to film a sit down video, and then I'm going to do my workout. I've eaten so bad today, so hopefully this workout goes well. Alright you guys, I finally finished the 2-week Chloe Ting shred challenge, and it is review time. I'm going to show you guys my final physique and what I look like, and kind of just give you guys some advice and my personal review. The first thing I want to say is that everyone is absolutely beautiful watching this. Every body type is beautiful. I just want to spread body positivity. We all have such different body types, and we should all be happy with how our body looks. But obviously, we all want to feel our best selves. That's one of my goals, and I wanted to try this workout out just so I could feel better, since I've literally been laying around every single day during quarantine. So I tried this challenge out. I think that this is a challenge that you're not going to get insane results over a 2-week period. This is something that you could literally do every single day for the next year and you'll get results, but you're not going to get a 6-pack in 2 weeks. That's what I have to say. You obviously are going to get toned up. I feel so much stronger, so much happier, and I have also been eating a lot healthier, which has been helping with my results. Just change up all of your habits. It's a whole lifestyle, I feel like, and working out is a part of that lifestyle, but you have to eat good so you feel good, and it's all about your mental health. So as I said, you're not going to see a 6-pack in 2 weeks. Like, that's just not going to happen. But I really thank you, Chloe Ting, for sharing this workout. I know it's helped so many people, and I can't wait to try out your other shreds, because I think I want to do the summer shred next, which I'm really happy about. And this is just an alternative, since we're all stuck in quarantine. So many people are doing these workouts, and I personally, I love going to spin classes, but I can't go to spin because the spin studio is closed. So this is what everyone's doing over quarantine. It's just a workout to do every single day. So I'm honestly going to do this ab workout and maybe even the summer shred as a workout every single day or every other day now, because I've built it into my lifestyle and it's worked for me. So I'm going to show you guys what my final result looks like. Let me show you guys my result. This is what, sorry, I'm not wearing a bra, but this is what I look like. You guys could see it more on the sides. But yeah. I feel like they're definitely more defined. But again, this is something that I'm going to be doing on a daily basis. Thank you guys so much for choosing to support me. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. Give this video a like and comment down below if you guys are doing the ab shred challenge or any of Chloe Ting's challenge, and let me know what you guys thought of them. But yeah, I will see you all on Sunday with a new video. I love you all so much, and yeah, bye.